Is your iPhone stuck on iCloud activation lock just like me? The iCloud activation lock at home and a legal way from your iPhone and iPad in 2026. Whether you have forgot your Apple ID or brought second-hand any iOS device in 2026, then don't worry, you are at the right place. Without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Well, the application which we'll be using to unlock iCloud activation from iPhone is called PassFab iPhone Unlock, which is totally compatible with the iOS 26, and also you can not just unlock activation lock, but it can remove screen locks, Apple ID, bypass screen time, and MDM lock from any iOS device, whether if it's iPhone 17 Pro Max. This app would definitely work on this. Unlock by yourself at home without any hassle, as it doesn't require any technical knowledge. You can also remove iCloud activation lock. I'm going to show you in this video, and it's compatible with iOS 26 and iPhone 17 series. Based on the 1300 customer reviews, it has been rated one of the highest application with good rating. And just keep in mind, I'll be honest with all of you, by using this application you will be able to remove iCloud activation lock from iPhone 5s till iPhone X, running from iOS 12 to iOS 16.7.11. Currently, we might get more updates by which you will be able to remove activation lock from updated iOS version, but for now it only works till iOS 16.7.11. While the other features such as screen lock, MDM lock, and Apple ID, you can remove that from even iOS 17 series and iOS 26 version. Without wasting any time, just download your desired version, either if you are using Mac or Windows, and after that click on install. After installing, you'll be able to see a very friendly interface of PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Now keep in mind, this is a paid version, and now this is a very good time to buy the membership, as they are offering a huge discount, which is 30% additional off. You can buy 1 year license with just 55.95 USD, 1 month license is 35.95, and lifetime license is 75.95, which just make sure to use the coupon code as you can see right here on the main website, and you will get additional 30% discount. Not just that, but if you don't like the feature, you can also get the money back guaranteed within 30 days. It just needs to be within 30 days of after purchasing. Let's go ahead. So once you open the PassFab iPhone Unlock application, you will see all the features on the main screen, such as unlock iOS screen, remove Apple ID, bypass MDM lock, password manager, remove screen passcode, and the one which I'll be using right now is remove iCloud activation lock. The process is quite easy for every single feature. I just need to click on it and then follow the screen just like I'm showing you right now. So once we click on remove iCloud activation lock, make sure your iPhone is connected to the desktop, and then just click on obviously next. So we will click on start, and then we will need to enter into the DFU mode, which is quite easy. Just click on power button and as well as volume down button for about 5 seconds, and then release the power button and keep holding volume down button. Your iPhone will get into the DFU mode automatically, and the PassFab iPhone Unlock will start jailbreaking your device. So after jailbreaking your device, again you will need to enter into the DFU mode by following the same method which we did before. Just make sure to click on power button and volume down button, and after 5 seconds release the power button while keep holding volume down button. Now the PassFab iPhone Unlock will start removing iCloud activation lock, and again it might take about 10 minutes. I'm just speeding up the video again to save some of the time while not skipping any step. After that, you will see on the screen that removal completed, which means iCloud activation has been successfully removed, and your iPhone will also get restart. And then just set up your iPhone, enter the new Apple ID, and you are all set to go. Your iPhone should work as normal, no any feature would be affected, and it will be just working as a normal device. Again, for now you can only unlock from iPhone 5s to iPhone X. Should be running from iOS 12 to iOS 16.7.11 like mentioned before. The reason I'm explaining these things again and again, as on my previous video I've got some bad comments and people were saying that you are not mentioning these kind of stuff like paid application or which device we can unlock. So now it's quite clear, and I hope this time I won't get any bad comments. Let me know if you guys have got any question regarding this video. I mentioned download link in the description and as well as in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.